When I first came across Faceless YouTube, I honestly had no idea you could make real money from it. I was just looking for something I could build on my own on the side of my 9 to 5. So the fact that the first 6 months of last year came to $127,946, it honestly still surprises me. That is way more than I earn in a whole year at my 9 to 5. Now, I'm not sharing this to show off. To be honest, I went back and forth on whether to even make this video. I'm sharing it for one reason. If even one person watching is looking for a real extra source of income, I want you to see that it's genuinely possible. But these are my own results, not a promise of what you'll make. Here's what surprised me the most though. When I looked at where the money actually came from, it wasn't where I expected. The income stream everyone tells you to focus on did the least, and the one that quietly did the most is the one hardly anyone talks about. So let me show you exactly where it all came from. Quick note before we start. Everything here is just the first 6 months of last year, and since I'm Canadian, all of these numbers are in Canadian dollars. So if you'd rather see them in US dollars, just run them through today's exchange rate. And one more thing before we dig in, stick with me all the way to the end because I'm also going to show you exactly how you can start building your own version of this live with me. Okay, let's get into it. Let's start right at the very bottom. Affiliate marketing. If you're new to this, affiliate marketing is simple. I recommend a tool I actually use. I leave a link in the description, and if you sign up through it, I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. The only way it really works is if you genuinely use the tool yourself, because your audience can always tell when you don't. The mistake I see people make is stuffing their description with links for tools they've never even touched, and it quietly burns the one thing that took you years to build: trust. So over the first 6 months, affiliate brought in $6,138, about 5% of everything I made. And here's the thing, this is the one everyone tells you to set up first. But for me, it was the smallest by far. A nice bonus, never the foundation. Which brings me to number 2. And this is the one everyone actually obsesses over: YouTube AdSense. This is the one everyone means when they ask how much YouTube pays you. So let me actually explain how it works, because most videos skip straight past this part. First, you don't earn a single cent from ads until you get monetized. That means getting into the YouTube Partner Program, and for that you need 2 things: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Until you cross that line, your ad revenue is exactly 0. Once you're in, YouTube starts placing ads on your videos and pays you based on something called RPM. RPM is simply how much you earn for every 1,000 views. And here's the part most people miss. Your RPM is not fixed. It moves with your niche, the time of year, and most of all, where your viewers are watching from. 1,000 views from the US, the UK, or Canada can pay several times more than 1,000 views from somewhere else, purely because advertisers pay more to reach those viewers. So the biggest lever on your AdSense isn't chasing more views, it's who is actually watching. The niche you pick quietly sets your RPM before you ever hit record. But here's the trap, and I've watched it kill channels. Don't start making videos you don't actually care about just to chase a higher RPM. The pennies you pick up per view are never worth the channel you lose interest in by video 30. And this is the stream I can actually pull up and show you. So here's my real YouTube studio, no edits. So let me pull up my dashboard. I'll go to the settings. Here you can see this is in Canadian dollars, and I'll also show us in USD. I've already selected January 1st to June 30th, 2025. You can see I had 2.7 million views, 80,000 watch hours gained, over 39,000 subscribers, and made about $15,000 Canadian. And then if I switch this from Canadian to USD, you'll see the amount and save. So this is about $10,756.48. So that's how much I made from AdSense in the first 6 months of 2025. So that puts AdSense at about 12% of everything I made over those 6 months. Now sit with that for a second, because the two things every single beginner is told to chase, affiliate and AdSense, together were only about 17% of everything I made. And AdSense is the one income you control the least. It moves with your niche, the season, and where your viewers happen to live. Real money, but never the thing to build a whole channel on. Which brings me to where the real money actually was. Now, quick pause, because the two biggest streams are still coming, and they're the ones that changed everything for me. But before I show you those, if watching this made you think, okay, I actually want to do this, then this next part is for you. At the end of August, I'm opening up a live 3-day challenge called the Faceless Income System. And here's the part that makes it different from anything else out there. For 3 days, it's not the faceless voice you're used to hearing. It's actually me, live on camera, building this with you in real time. Not my avatar, me. You'll get to ask me your own questions, live right there in the room, and actually spend time with me across the 3 days. And the whole time, you're in a private WhatsApp group with everyone else building alongside you, so you're never figuring this out on your own. And we don't just talk about it. On day 1, you score your own channel idea live and find out whether it can actually make money before you waste a single month on it. On day 2, you watch me build a complete faceless video from a blank screen to a finished upload in about an hour, and you keep the exact system I used. And by day 3, you'll have mapped out your own realistic income path from your numbers, not mine. So you don't leave with a pile of notes, you leave with a validated idea, a video you watched get built, and the tools I actually use every single week. It's 3 days, live August 28th to 30th. And here's all you have to do. Just comment the word challenge down below and I'll send you everything you need to join. Then come right back, because streams 3 and 4 are the two biggest and they're where the real money actually was. Okay, back to the breakdown. Number 3, sponsorships. This is when a brand pays me to either feature a tool inside a video or do a full breakdown of it. And how you'd know one of mine is sponsored is simple. Either I tell you or you'll see that little paid promotion label pop up at the top of the video. And here's what nobody tells you about it. You do not need a massive channel to get sponsored. You need a specific trusted audience, which is exactly what a good faceless niche gives you. A channel with 20,000 of the right viewers can out-earn one with 1,000,000 of the wrong ones. But here's the trap, and it's the one I protect the hardest. The moment you say yes to a brand you don't actually believe in, you are spending trust you can never fully buy back. I've turned down far more sponsorships than I've ever taken, and that is the exact reason people still believe me when I do recommend something. So over the first 6 months, sponsorships came to a total of $40,505. I can't break down the individual deals, that's just how the contracts work, but altogether that's about 32% of everything I made, and more than AdSense and affiliate combined 3 times over. Now, the catch. This one is not passive at all. It's outreach, it's emails, it's negotiation, but it was the first stream where the number actually started to feel serious. And even then, it still wasn't my biggest, which brings me to the one hardly anyone talks about. And number 1, the one that genuinely surprised even me, membership. This is my own community where people don't just watch my videos, they come in and build their own faceless channels right alongside me. Not ads, not brands, people choosing to go deeper. Here's what most creators completely miss about this. A membership has nothing to do with having a huge audience. It's about being genuinely useful to a smaller group of the right people. The value inside has to be real enough that someone happily chooses to be in that room, but the trap is treating it like a cash grab. The moment a community stops actually helping people, they leave, and honestly, they should. So it only works if you keep showing up and keep helping people win. So over the first 6 months, membership brought in $66,131. That's about 52% of everything I made. On its own, more than every single other stream added together. And this is the whole point of the video. The stream almost nobody talks about, building something of your own that people actually choose to be part of, was bigger than every so-called passive income everyone tells you to chase. Because it's the one thing you fully own. YouTube can change AdSense tomorrow. A brand can walk away. But the audience you build and the thing you build for them, that stays yours. So if you take one thing from this, let it be this. The order that actually paid me was almost the exact reverse of what everyone teaches. The passive stuff everyone chases paid the least. The thing I own paid the most. So don't build your whole channel on the income you control the least. And that's the honest breakdown. 4 income streams, first 6 months, and the one almost everybody ignores turned out to be the one that mattered most. And like I said earlier, if watching this made you want to actually start one of these for yourself, that's exactly what the Faceless income system is for. It's my live 3-day challenge at the end of August. And for 3 days, you're building it with the real me. Live, not the avatar you're used to. So just comment the word challenge below and I'll send you everything you need to join. And if even one person needed to see that this is possible, then this video did its job. Now, if you're looking to start a Faceless channel of your own, the best place to go next is right here. I've put together a whole playlist where I break down the exact niches you can actually go into and then show you how to create the videos for each one. So go check that out and I'll see you over there.